Hello everyone. So this is a continuation of our trip around Harare. So from Harare Botanical Gardens, we are now going to a place called Harare Gardens. Do not be confused. I get confused a lot of times too, but Harare Gardens is located right at the center of the Central Business District, while Harare Botanical Gardens is a bit on the outskirt of the main city. So Harare Garden is located right at the center of the Central Business District, and so you'll see a lot of people passing by this area. They also have a wide variety of trees, and there's lots of birds in the area too. And yeah, so if you happen to be around the Central Business District, this is certainly a good place to drop by and just relax and have a leisure walk around. There were a lot of friendly locals in the area, so if you smile at them, they smile back at you, and if you greet them, they greet you back. And yeah, this portion is really one of the loveliest spot inside Harare Garden. And from the garden, you can see the office buildings around the area. It was a wonderful Saturday morning. The sun was up, and people were really happy, just enjoying the early morning sun. It was winter time too, so strolling around was a pleasant experience. It was not very, very cold, but more importantly, it wasn't hot. So strolling around was really relaxing and a nice experience. I didn't spend much time inside Harare Garden. We moved on to the next stop, which is the African Unity Square, not very far from Harare Garden, probably just a 5 to 10 minute drive, including the traffic jam. So, this is the Africa Unity Square, which is even more packed with people on a Saturday morning. It seems that people were just really enjoying the wonderful weather, the cold breeze, and the tolerable sun. It was wonderful just walking around here. You see those trees, and Africa Unity Square is surrounded by historical buildings. So if you wanna have a view of some of Harare's historical places, then this is a good spot for you. Here I was walking at the sidewalk just at the perimeter of Africa Unity Square on the way to the cathedral. I did not enter the cathedral, but from the outside you can see how beautiful the structure is, covered with bricks, and yeah, just really neat looking building. Just look at how green the space is. It's very relaxing to the eyes, and so no wonder why people like to hang around in here. You see some of the more modern office buildings in Harare. Some of the trees have started changing colors. It's just really beautiful. Look at this building and the trees. They match perfectly. There's a small pond too. Some of the historical buildings with designs dating back to the 80s, I think.